Top 7 Best Outdoor Basketball Shoes 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Nike Lebron Soldier 13. The Nike Lebron Soldier 13 is a blend of modern styling, quality leather, and excellent cushioning. Some of its features are traction. These shoes offer good traction through the hex pods found throughout the sole. These hex pods act like herringbone and direct towards multiple directions. They give you full coverage no matter where or how you are moving. Cushion. You can feel responsive cushioning and bounce with every stride when you wear the Lebron Soldier 13. The lateral section has 2 small hex zoom units, along with zoom units on the heel. These zoom units are 13 mm thick, which provides excellent cushioning. Material. The upper material has multiple additional overlays and is made up of one-piece booty. They give you flexibility and support wherever needed. The dynamic flywire at the base gives a comfortable fit. The zoned areas have fuse or TPU that offers 0 stretches. Therefore, you don't have to worry about compromised fits even when making changes in directions. Number 6. Adidas Dame 5. Are you looking for the best outdoor basketball shoes that can custom fit your foot shape and movements? If yes, then you should check out Adidas Dame 5. Some of its features are traction. These sneakers are one of the best outdoor basketball shoes because they are designed for Damian Lillard's signature game. They provide the right kind of support and ensure great quality. The rubber sole feels solid and gives excellent traction. The soles help in maintaining balance while jumping, running, or moving on outdoor courts. They come with a herringbone pattern outsole that gives maximum traction. Cushion. The footbed has responsive cushioning that supports certain targeted areas on the feet. It aims to reduce pain and fatigue when playing. The cushioning on the midsole offers lateral stability and allows quick directional changes. The footbed features internal pods that feel soft on the feet and give extra comfort. Number 5. Adidas Performance Crazy Explosive Basketball Shoe. The Adidas Crazy Explosive is a stylish pair of shoes. It is considered one of the best outdoor basketball shoes because of its soft cushioning and strong traction. Some of its features are traction. Adidas Crazy Explosive features a digitally designed power pattern for strong traction. The pattern consists of different shapes, such as straight lines, circles, and curved lines. These combine to give the shoe its traction. It has a translucent rubber sole that is durable. Cushion. The full-length boost cushioning technology of Adidas gives good cushioning to these shoes. This technology consists of cells of TPU that are located in the midsole. These cells provide excellent shock absorption when compressed. The energy-returning properties of the boost technology give you the much-needed launching needed to dunk a hoop. Lockdown. The innovative lockdown of Adidas Crazy Explosive is commendable. It uses the GeoFit booty lockdown that has a foam construction. It gives you a glove-like fit that conforms to your unique foot shape and size. Number 4. Nike Lebron Soldier Roman 11 Men's Basketball Shoes. The Nike Lebron Soldier Roman 11 is regarded as one of the most durable and best outdoor basketball shoes. What makes this model stand out from the rest is its innovative lockdown feature. Some of its features are traction. These shoes come with solid translucent outer sole with decoupled rubber pods. These provide extra durability and a range of motion. It features a hexagonal pattern which works great for multi-directional traction. Cushion. The Air Zoom technology at Nike gives low profile, responsive cushioning to these shoes. There are air-compressed tensile fibers located in the midsole. Whenever you press your foot, the compressed tensile fibers give back a springing effect. Material. These shoes feature a ballistic nylon mesh upper construct. The mesh gives maximum durability and is resistant to abrasion. The sides of the shoes and the toe part are made of synthetic leather for lightweight support. Number 3. Clutchfit Drive 2 by Under Armour. True to its name, the Clutchfit Drive 2 is known for its clutch fit and strong lockdown. It is one of the best outdoor basketball shoes for those who struggle with poor lockdowns or loose toe boxes. Some of its features are traction. The herringbone pattern of the outer soles makes them one of the most effective and best outdoor basketball shoes. This pattern provides great traction for multi-dimensional moves. Cushion. These shoes come with micro G insole with a firm foam in the midsole. The charged cushioning foam in the midsole is shock absorbing and turns an impact into a bouncy effect with ease. Lockdown. The Clutchfit Drive 2 leaves no stone unturned when it comes to the shoe's lockdown. It gives a snug fit with a thick and durable upper material. The shoes fit firmly on the feet and keep them intact. Number 2. Nike Lebron 16. The Nike Lebron 16 is built for a king. It has a more stable midsole, better traction, and more responsive cushioning. This pair of shoes is considered the best outdoor basketball shoes because of their versatility. Some of its important features are traction. The rubber sole may not be very hard, but firm enough to give good traction. Lebron 16 gives you one of the unique grips. It comes with straight lines with slight angles that are deep and widely spaced. You can push out any dirt from the shoes easily. Cushion. The overall setup of the Lebron 16 is stiff. However, it gives maximum protection from an impact. Once you wear them down completely, you will feel the max air bubbles underneath. The cushioning provides a smoother and quicker jump. Material. A nylon sleeve backs the upper of Lebron 16. It uses Nubuck and BattleKnit 2.0 for extra breathability. The BattleKnit 2.0 gives added flexibility with great lockdown strength. Number 1. Under Armour Curry 303. Fans of Under Armour love the Curry product line for its comfortable cushioning and excellent traction. The Curry 303 is unlike its predecessors. It comes with a unique low-top design, micro-G cushioning, and lots more. Some of its important features are traction. The rubber soles are solid and come in a herringbone pattern. This pattern is the best for traction since it allows multi-dimensional movements. It gives stability and a good grip on all kinds of courts. The pattern is tight around the toe area, and it becomes wide and deep from midfoot down. The traction pattern makes these shoes as one of the best outdoor basketball shoes. Cushion. The cushioning is great with micro-G cushioning technology. It provides good shock absorption from an impact. The midsole has micro-G foam that enables cushion landings and explosive takeoffs. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best outdoor basketball shoes 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.